Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook Pixel Dataset and Conversion API on Woocommerce. This integration is essential for tracking customer actions on your store and optimizing your Facebook ad campaigns with real conversion data. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your WooCommerce store. Now, to begin installing the Facebook Pixel Dataset and Conversion API on WooCommerce, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you click this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin repository where you can browse and install new functionality for your store. On the plugins page, you'll see a wide variety of plugins available to enhance your WooCommerce account. Here's where things get specific. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Facebook. From the search results that appear, look for the plugin called Facebook for WooCommerce. This is the official plugin that handles all Facebook integrations. Click on More Details to view a complete overview of what this plugin offers. Take a moment to review the features and functions to understand exactly what you're installing. Once you're ready, click Install Now. The installation process might take a little while to complete, so be patient as WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin files. You'll see a progress indicator on screen. Once the installation finishes, you'll notice the button changes. Now click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, you'll see that new options have been added to your WordPress interface. Click on the Marketing option in your left navigation menu. You'll notice a new Facebook option has been added to your menu structure. Click on Facebook to access the plugin settings. As you scroll down, you'll see all the powerful features this plugin brings to your WooCommerce store, including pixel tracking, catalog sync, and conversion tracking capabilities. The process from here is remarkably straightforward. Simply click on Get Started and you'll be prompted to connect your Facebook business account. Enter your Facebook business account credentials when asked. This single authentication step automatically integrates your MetaPixels dataset and conversion API directly to your WooCommerce account. The plugin handles all the technical setup in the background, establishing the connection between your store and Facebook's advertising platform. And that's it. You've successfully installed and connected Facebook Pixel Dataset and Conversion API to your WooCommerce store. Your store can now track conversions and send valuable data to Facebook for better ad targeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.